Happy New Year! You're watching That New England Sound. I'm Chris, and this is George Flores from Midcoast Wind Repair. New Year's is all about getting a chance to rebuild that old broken self of yours into something new and better. And that is exactly what George has done with his AR LSTs.
Well, first of all, you can see I've obtained a second pair of LSTs.
He's gotten a second pair of LSTs.
The big upgrade to my original pair is I had a gentleman called Roy Champagne out of Albany, New York, rebuild the urethane foam surrounds on all 8 tweeters, which significantly increases the output above 5,000 hertz.
Why is that?
You know, these are 50-year-old speakers now. Over time, those 50-year-old foam suspensions break down. It's getting a little stiff, and it's just not moving as much as it should. And that significantly reduces both on and off-axis output. Roy tunes them so that they are as close to factory output as he can.
Do you feel like you heard much of a difference when you got them back?
There was a significant improvement in the quality of sound. Those high harmonics are no longer restricted.
Because George has acquired these second set of LSTs, we're going to be able to do an A/B test. How the ones he just acquired sound versus the ones he had rebuilt by Roy Champagne.
We're going to be listening to a track from the new album Year of Plenty by a friend of mine, Jake Householder.
Let's try it.
Let's do it.
Like an effect, I want to know the ocean's distant, deep and cold, in which these feet refuse to go, knowing they will no longer float. Like a stone or sinking words, or lips too loud to ever learn. Rehearsing, Father will return. No, he won't. With no love like me, hey, to hang my head, to hang my coat, no, to hang my crooked frame, no man to mouse me on my merry way, no leg to lead on through the grave, so prideful love, the words don't last, no, the words don't last, there's no life.
So I absolutely hear a difference. Everything is much more defined, and I feel like the sound stage has expanded a little bit.
When you're above 5,000 hertz, which is where these tweeters are operating, you're starting to get into like what people term airiness or presence. There's just a couple of instruments that are operating within that tweeter level. The cymbals specifically, if you listen for the cymbals in this song, they're going to be louder. Beyond that, what you're looking at is, like we said, high harmonics. The difference in the piano, the difference in the voice.
Definitely the voice.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to listen again. Listen to this with some good headphones or some full range speakers, because that'll make the differences much more pronounced. Listen for the cymbals, see if you can hear anything different in the voice. And if you don't think you hear anything, please put it in the comments. But I absolutely hear a difference.
Like an effect, I want to know the ocean's distant, deep and cold, in which these feet refuse to go, knowing they will no longer float. Like an effect, I want to know the ocean's distant, deep and cold, in which these feet refuse to go, knowing they will no longer float. Like a stone or sinking words, or lips too loud to ever learn. Rehearsing, Father will return. No, he won't. Like a stone or sinking words, or lips too loud to ever learn. Rehearsing, Father will return. No, he won't.
you think you're going to get Roy to work on the ones you just got also?
I am. Yeah, I'm absolutely going to have these done, especially now that I've AB'd them.
So when it's all said and done, you're going to have 2 sets of these hooked up at the same time?
Yeah, I'm going to be running them in parallel. It's a 2 ohm load if you do that, so it's an extremely low impedance. So I've had it hooked up to a Crown XLS 1002. I really like the Crown, but it is a Class D amp. The Perot that I've been running is a Class A AB amp. I've been really spoiled for that sound. That'll be my 2026 project.
Well, George, I cannot wait in 2026 to come here, everything all set up again.
It'll be
It's
fun.
gonna be great. I need more things to look forward to next year, 'cause I'm a sad person.